When a document is not accepted through apostille, another important process is required. This process is known as consularization. What is consularization? Consularization is a legal process used to authenticate documents for use in a foreign country that is not a member of the Hague Apostille Convention. It ensures that the document is genuine and legally acceptable in the destination country. Why is consularization required? Consularization is required when apostille certification is not applicable. Many countries demand consular verification to confirm the authenticity of documents issued abroad. How does the consularization process work? First, the document is notarized by a notary public. After notarization, it is authenticated by the concerned government authority, such as the Ministry of External Affairs. Finally, the document is verified and stamped by the embassy or consulate of the destination country. Where is consularization used? Consularization is commonly required for countries that do not follow the Hague Convention. It is used for documents related to employment, education, business, immigration, and legal matters abroad. How is consularization different from apostille? Unlike apostille, consularization involves multiple verification steps and direct approval from the destination country's embassy. This makes the process more detailed but legally reliable. Conclusion. In simple words, consularization makes a document legally valid for countries where apostille is not accepted. It plays a vital role in international documentation by ensuring trust, authenticity, and legal compliance. Thank you.